Make everyday life comfortable. This channel will share practical trivia that helps improve your daily life. You might miss out if you skip them, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. Have you ever felt that the air coming from your air conditioner smells dusty or unpleasant? That uncomfortable odor may actually be a quiet warning sign that could affect your health. Many people think cleaning the air conditioner just means washing the filter. But that alone does not remove the buildup hiding deep inside the unit. Today, I will explain an unexpected yet highly effective cleaning method, something most people don't know, but can actually be done safely at home to eliminate odor and dirt from your air conditioner. First, let's briefly look at why an air conditioner gets dirty. An air conditioner pulls in indoor air along with dust and particles. During cooling, condensation forms inside the unit. Combined with dust as a nutrient source, the humidity and temperature create perfect conditions for mold to grow rapidly. This mold is then blown back into your room, causing allergies and respiratory issues. So, how can you thoroughly clean the inside of your air conditioner? From here, we move into the main topic. I will explain 2 steps, the basic method and a more effective advanced method. These are the minimum maintenance tasks you should always do to keep performance high and reduce electricity costs. Before anything, unplug the AC unit for safety. 1. Filter cleaning. Open the front panel and remove the filter. Do not wash it immediately. First, vacuum the outer side, the side facing the room. If you vacuum from the inner side, the dust gets pushed deeper into the mesh. After removing the loose dust, rinse the filter in the shower, spraying water from the clean side to push out remaining dust. For oily buildup, scrub gently with a soft toothbrush and diluted neutral detergent. Wipe off excess water and let it dry completely in a shaded, well-ventilated area. 2. Cleaning the air outlet. Gently move the louvers by hand and wipe them one by one with a damp cloth. Use a flashlight and look inside. You'll probably see black specks of mold on the fan. Wrap a piece of kitchen paper around a chopstick or ruler, secure it with a rubber band, spray it with ethanol, and gently wipe the fan while rotating it little by little. You will see surprisingly dark dirt coming off. Do not use excessive force to avoid damaging the fan. 3. Cleaning the surrounding area and outdoor unit. Dust also accumulates on top of the indoor unit. Wipe it with a duster. Check the outdoor unit, make sure nothing blocks airflow, and remove leaves or debris stuck in the fins. These are the basic tasks, but they still cannot remove the mold deep inside the heat exchanger or fan. This brings us to the advanced method. Advanced method: high heat drying without using any spray cleaners. This method safely and dramatically reduces internal mold using only heat and ventilation. The trick is to use the air conditioner's heating mode with the windows fully open to force dry and sterilize the inside. Mold is extremely weak to heat and dryness. We use this weakness to our advantage. This method is most effective when done during the daytime in the summer on a hot and sunny day. Step 1. Leave the dusty filter as it is. There is a reason for this later. Step 2. Open all the windows, preferably 2 on opposite sides for better airflow. Step 3. Set the AC to heating mode and raise the temperature to the maximum, around between 30 and 32 degrees. Step 4. Let it run for about 1 hour. You may wonder what this does. By opening the windows, the room temperature never rises. The air conditioner senses this and continues heating at full power. Inside the unit, temperatures exceed 50 C, killing almost all mold. The hot, dry air also removes moisture, the source of mold growth. After stopping the AC, wait 10 minutes and unplug it. Now remove the filter you left untouched. You'll likely see more dust and dark powder than usual. These are dried mold fragments and dirt that fell off inside the unit. Vacuum and wash the filter as normal. Look into the air outlet again. You should see far less black buildup. Cleaning it once more with your homemade cleaning stick will remove more dry mold debris. This high-heat drying method is safe, requires no chemicals, and carries minimal risk of damaging the air conditioner. Yet it directly targets the source of the odor. Doing this once or twice a year after summer or before winter greatly improves your air conditioning. Of course, this method cannot remove very old or stubborn buildup. For that, professional disassembly cleaning is the best option. But if you feel uncomfortable using spray cleaners or don't want to call a technician, this is a highly effective and simple alternative. With the right knowledge, you can safely and easily remove air conditioner odors and dirt yourself. Try this unexpected method before summer or before the heating season begins and enjoy clean, healthy air. Thank you for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.